Hey guys, welcome to this course that is we will be learning how to create an AI chatbot using IBM Cloud. So for that we will be needing some installations on IBM Cloud. So we will just make that installation in this video. So just search for IBM Cloud in your browser. So after searching, you need to go to IBM Cloud, that is for India. So just click on that, the first link. I will give this link in the description below, and then after this you will be redirected to the IBM Cloud official website. So this is the official website for IBM Cloud. So here many more services are available for IBM, but please make sure that you install only those services that I will mention. So don't install any other services, because we are going to create a free account and you have very limited resources to use. So just click on sign in or sign up in the cloud option. So after clicking on that option, you will be redirected to this page, that is account creation. That is, you have to enter email address and password, and you have to set your account. So this is pretty much simple. So I will just put my email address and all, and I will just show you the further steps. So after I have installed all that, so just create account. So after creating account, you will be redirected to the your IBM Cloud dashboard. So make sure that I am repeating it again. So make sure that only install those services that I will mention. So this is the page. Just simply proceed it. So this is the official IBM Cloud dashboard. So this is completely free of cost. You don't need to pay any charges to the cloud or anyone else to create your chatbot. So this is a simple IBM Cloud interface. So this is the dashboard of IBM Cloud. It will show all the services that are installed on your IBM Cloud. So this is the usage, and all this setup will be available for you also. So you just need to install 3 services for this creation. So just click on catalog option available on the top bar. So after clicking, you will be redirected to a new page, and in this you will be getting some more features that you can install. So this all are the developed by IBM, and on the services page these are developed by third-party websites or softwares, right? So make sure that you install only those that I will mention, because it will be wasting your credit. Right, so just install what's the search for Watson Assistant. So the first service, as you can see, only Watson Assistant, not anything else. So you have to just install this and make sure that it is light and free. So this is the completely free service that is available. So click on this service and make sure that again it is free. So after clicking on this, you will be redirected to the Watson Assistant page, and in this page you will be getting create option, that is don't make changes to this, and keep the region London as it is, and just simply create this, and IBM Cloud will automatically create one IBM Assistant for you, that is Watson Assistant for you. So after creating, this will look like this, that is API key and URL will be available for your assistant. So for now you don't have to make any changes in this. So just go to the IBM Cloud dashboard again by clicking on the left hand side top of the icon, right? So just go through that. So after going through the IBM Cloud, you will be redirected to the dashboard again. So here now it will show one service, that is IBM Watson. We have installed it right now. So this is perfectly installed. So now we will install one another service, that is Discovery. So search on catalog again option, and then search for Discovery. So you will get to this page, and please install this as step by step. If you get something wrong, then the services will not be work fine. So just click on discovery, and then the first option, just let me correct the spelling of discovery. So after this is the first option and this is the icon. Make sure again that this is light and free service, and then we will just be redirected to how to install that. So don't make any much changes to this, that is keep the region as it is London, and make sure that it is again free, and then just simply create this discovery also. So it will automatically create your service too. So this is a basic service that you will get the message service has been created to your account, and you will be redirected to this page, that is a resource list. And in this resource list, make sure that you have two services, that is discovery and Watson assistant. But you can see that discovery is in progress service, right? So it is not been installed, and it inactivate in your account. So let it be as it is, because we will be needing it in further time. So it will take probably half an hour or more than that. It may also take 2 to 3 hours. Just be patient. Once again, we will install another one service that we will require to build a chatbot. So this is the Node-RED. So you will have to install this Node-RED on your IBM cloud. So make sure that you do the things as I do, because Node-RED will fail sometimes, but make sure that you follow the steps so that no mistake will be taken, right? So just click on the region and select as London, right? So Node-RED will not be installed successfully in one time. It may take several times, but make sure that you follow those steps, and you will probably get lucky to install it in the first shot. So just click on the light plan and then just click create. So it will take probably 15 to 20 minutes to install this service on your IBM cloud. So this is creating Cloudant for your cloud. So this may take some time, and you can deploy app. Basically, Node-RED is the service which we will be using to deploy our apps. We will be drag and drop all apps we will require for this service in Node-RED. So as you can see, deployment has been done of Node-RED in our cloud. So we will just create service, and then you can see various options are available for creating service, that is Internet of Things and AI, machine learning, web development. So you can explore all these options later after completing this course, right? So after we will just explore some options that are available in AI, as we are developing a chatbot. So this is the machine learning is there, and many services that are available in AI also. So there are total 13 services that are available in AI. So we will just skip the steps, and we will just continue to our installation. So you will click on deploy your app. So after clicking on, make sure that these all options are selected in your cloud also. Don't make any changes, or make only those changes which I will mention in this video. So we will create a new key for this, and don't select the save the key option. Just you have to install this service. It is create new API key will be generated for your account. Don't change memory allocation, because 64 MB is pretty much sufficient for our service that we will be using. So again, change the location as London, because all our services locations is in London. So this will automatically generate your host name. Host name probably will take some time to generate. So after generating, this will probably all things are fine. Then click on the next button that is available below. So make sure that these all services are as it is, as I have mentioned. Don't make any changes to them. So after clicking on the next, you will again select the region as London, and then create this. So this will probably take more time than all other services. This will also take around 15 10 to 15 minutes to install. So and this is the basic installation of Node-RED. That as you can see, my Node-RED has been successfully installed. So on status you will see that no status, no stages selected. So this is probably installing the services that are available. So it is in progress now. So you can just open this link in the new tab and you can see where the process is getting now. So as you can see, our service has been built, but it is in the process of deployment. So our service is being deployed by IBM. So you just have to wait patiently here and do not go to dashboard or any other page, right? Soon you will get this success message that status is success of installing IBM. After you get this status success, then you will go to the dashboard, your IBM dashboard. Unless you get success, don't move anywhere. Please stay on this page, because Node-RED is very difficult to install and it may take 1 to 2 times for me to install. So as you can see, there are 4 services installed on my cloud. So if Node-RED is not installed correctly on your cloud, so just click on this icon that is available. This will probably direct you to the resource list of your cloud. So on this resource list you will just get all the resources that you have installed. So this Node-RED service, you have to just delete it and install it again if you think that it is not installed correctly on your IBM cloud. So this pretty much is the basic setup of how to build AI chatbot basics, right? So we will see some more